They be like, who?
Hello. Okay. So I just got home from work, but I stopped by at Home Goods and Trader Joe's to pick up. Woo! I'll throw that out right now. To pick up a couple of things. So let's do a little Trader Joe's haul. I picked up some chicken cilantro mini wontons because I saw a recipe on these specific ones for like a sopa. I got some cauliflower. I got some salmon because I want to make, I just needed something to make right now. More of these chicken gyoza dumplings. Okay, so these are wontons and the other ones are dumplings. Okay. I got some milk. I got some organic power to the greens. It has like baby kale, baby chard. I don't know what chard is, but it has like baby spinach as well. And then I got some cilantro, some mushrooms. I got my favorite sparkling water. And I got my husband another one, but that one was heavy, so I left it over there. And then I got some mini heirloom tomatoes to snack on. And then I got my protein powder that I like from there for my smoothies, and then 2 tomatoes porque están caros ahí, pero ocupaba 2 tomatoes just for like these 2 days. If I have no parar anywhere, I just los agarro ahí. And that's it. That's my little haul. And then also I stopped at Home Goods because I had a gift card from Christmas, and it was only a $25 gift card. I was looking for pillows because I kind of want to add like maybe like brown into like the living room, but I ended up finding these containers to organize the fridge. I already have some, but I feel like I needed more to organize the fridge, so I need to throw out a couple stuff. And these were $3.99. Usually these are like $7. Ooh! Like I was saying, usually these are like over $5. Like usually they're like $6.99 for this size, but these, I don't know, the specific brand was $3.99, so I ended up getting the 4 of them that were there because $3.99 for this size of a container is a good price. And then I also got these smaller ones for like asparagus. I love asparagus, so these are gonna be perfect to organize them. And these were $3.99. These feel like they're a little bit better quality, and then they have this thing in here as to compare to these. But I mean, either way, both of them are still, you know, good. And that's all. And it was exactly $25 for all of this. But actually, I'm starving. I didn't take a break at work, so let's make something really quick, okay? I've been wanting to make the little salmon. I have some seaweed, so I'm cooking the rice already, and then I'm just gonna do the salmon. So I'm gonna do that meal from that one girl from TikTok that went viral because it's really good. I really like it. Okay, it looks like it's burnt, but it's the dark sauce that got kind of burnt. And it already has like soy sauce. It has sesame oil and a bunch of all that stuff. So I know that it looks disgusting, but it's really good. I don't have the mayonnaise that they put, but I'm gonna add some sriracha sauce and that's it. Good morning, you guys. Well, actually it's not morning, it's already like 12 p.m. but yeah, I already had my coffee, so right now I'm just drinking this chlorophyll water. I didn't even know what to film for this week, but I am gonna be organizing my fridge. I wanted to show you guys today's outfit. This is literally Christmas presents. So the little jacket sweater thing was gifted from my mom. It's so cozy. And then this little set is from my sister-in-law. I love it. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. And just these chanclas. I haven't shaved, so no me miren mis pies. But yeah, it's cold in here in the house, so I'm kind of like media encuerada, but then I have this. Anyways, let's go clean. Okay, I have a mess. I mean, not a mess, because I literally washed the dishes last night. Because remember, we're trying to leave the kitchen clean at night. So that's why I have all of my pans. I was almost not gonna clean yesterday because I was tired. But I did it, and now look at me. I have to do the dishes today after work. I mean, before work. So it feels good. It feels good. We're on the right track this year. Oh, actually, this is over here. Another thing that I've been wanting to do is kind of paint the bottom of the cabinets. I don't know why they're not white, and it bothers me whenever I'm filming and I see that it looks brown. Pero con una pintadita yo creo, ¿verdad? Because look, this is the view of like me standing. I obviously don't see it, but my tripod is short, so I have to put my camera here. Y hace de esto. I'm gonna dar una limpiadita really quick, just 30 minutes, because I do have to go to work. So we're gonna organize. I'm gonna take everything out and then organize the fridge.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. try being the wrong side for once. Keep it in here, knock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being the wrong side for once. But sometimes you.
All right, this is the finish result. I just did this. I didn't do the doors because I mean it's just like whatever. But we have all of our drinks over here. I know you guys don't see water, but it's because we already finished them. I mean, if you want to see water, here is the last one that I'll just keep right there. And then we just have some lemons, some cilantro, like the things that I have in like little bags. I just have them there. The eggs, 2 tomatoes because it's already the end of the week, so I know that in the weekend I'm not gonna cook, so I only have 2 eggs. And then these little things that I got to snack on, the little tomatoes. And then my onion that I'm currently using, you know, there's still more room for in case I need to put anything in there. I just have some spinach and stuff, my tortillas, orange juice, butter, and then this is gonna be my veggie, like things that I'm gonna be using to cook. I know they look ugly, but once I peel them, they're fine. And I'm the type to wash as I use. I don't wash everything and then put them in the fridge. And this is gonna be like our little snack drawer, which I only have like gelatinas and yogurt, whatever is left of it. Okay, so that is all for like today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mini fridge organization video. Hopefully my teeth aren't green because I was drinking the chlorophyll water. But anyways, oh, I did my nails from that one nail kit that I bought last week on last week's video. So and I really like them. I'm surprised. I did them I think on Sunday, and today's Thursday. They're holding on pretty good, so they're like just like really like a natural looking nails, but I love it. I love them. Anyways, let me know some video recommendations because I like literally don't know what else to record but blogging. I asked on Instagram and some people were saying like home decor, but honestly I haven't even purchased anything, so I don't know what to show you. But if you just leave me down below like any video recommendations, okay? Bye.